What's good, YouTube? It's your boy DB with the Subi. About to pop out to a little meet. Got my boy Best with me. We finna pop out. Gave her a little wipe down. She's still kind of dirty, but hey, we're gonna ride with it. You already know the drill. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and show love to the ground. As always, it's gonna be at the bottom left. But yeah, she looking good, man. Looking real good. But we're gonna be doing a little POV driving on the way there. But anyways, I ain't gonna do too much talking. Let's just get into it. So we on the way there. It's a 13-mile drive. I'm gonna turn this off. I can see a little bit better now. Changed it. Oh, you better not.
I'm for real.
Better not.
In about 1.5 miles, turn right onto St. John's Bluff Road North.
Turn right?
Should put my chips in.
Lift chip.
Yeah, cracking it, burning.
Yeah, lick them, bro. They'll be alright.
Yeah, I hate
Why turn on your blinker after you already halfway in the lane? I don't get it, bro.
Don't even turn it on.
Yeah, you might as well should have not even touched your blinker. I don't understand stuff like that. And people that don't use their blinker at all.
For real. The one time I don't use my blinkers, there's
See
nobody
that?
behind it.
Yeah. Well, I always use my blinker no matter what. That's a nice neighborhood. Well, the front look nice.
Yeah.
Oh, brother. Oh, man. Jacksonville, Florida for you.
At the next light, turn right.
Uh-oh. Okay, Granny, I see it. This car pick up speed so fast. It don't even feel like it pick up speed the way it do, but I just went to 40 to 60 in like a second and a half.
At the light,
How's the gas
turn
response,
right
man?
onto St. John's
The gas?
Bluff Road North.
It's instant. Tap, 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 tap. Like it's instant. But I'm low in my gear right now.
Who's that, S14 or S13? Yeah. Be clean.
I said, man, that me dead, man. We
Oh,
turn
bro.
around.
In 1.5 miles, the destination is on your right.
Oh, yeah.
172 St. John's.
Throttle is amazing. Feels so good to do that. I had to get back over because there's a bike speeding up behind me.
Seen him, yeah.
So I was like, let me get back over.
With bikes, don't be caring.
Yeah, I don't want to get over and he, you know, he finna do the same thing and he breaking into me. Good thing I stopped speeding, boy.
Oh, bro, you brave. You probably won't get for it.
Huh?
You probably won't get for Williams parking.
Shoot, that look like a good spot. She a Chevy SS. Gosh, late.
That was nice.
Where they going?
For
They
real,
going
they
over
go the
here.
wrong way. You done left.
Man,
Not a good sign.
Mel was talking about getting one, bro.
For real?
Yeah,
You need to get one.
for his next car.
That'd be nice.
I'm like, bro, don't get a Charger, bro. Get a Chevy SS, bro.
Ain't like the same price.
Yeah, they cost the same, but just Chevy SS harder to freaking
Destination
find.
is on your right. At 72.
Oh,
okay.
they turn around because there ain't no parking problem. Alright, y'all, so I changed my mind. I'm gonna keep the GoPro on, grab the camera. Got a Hellcat here. Wonder what's done to it. Yeah, it is. They hogging up all the spots. And I've seen it for 20 minutes. They want to sit there and admire it, I guess. Yeah.
It'll be a problem, so, you know, for noise and stuff. So.
Yeah, people like live there.
Yeah. It'll be a problem. What's up, guys?
What's up, y'all?
Good?
Yes, sir.
Outsourcing your,
Yeah, exactly.
Sheesh. That's what I'm talking about. Twins? That's crazy. That's crazy. Well, I'm telling you, I want this to be my next car. I'm manifesting it right now. I want this to be my next car. 2 to 3 years from now, I'm gonna get a picture. Oh, yeah, they just want to stand in front of it. Golly. High Steppers Duval. Yeah. I mean, we've seen a bunch of nice cars passing by, but they probably ain't see. Now that lens he got is expensive. That's expensive. That's like a $2,000 lens. Yes, bro. That lens costs more than his camera. The GTI clean. Yeah, this is a Golf R. This is what I ended up racing one day and wondering why I was getting gapped. It was a Golf R. You know these things all-wheel drive. Yeah, you see the tag? Yeah. It ain't too many things gapping this. What is it? Grateful Sins, I guess. Well, this GT got the meats on it. I remember I used to want one of these. Yeah, it's super clean. I like the stance. I was trying to say it go a little lower, but it's already on the ground. Oh, look at the Supra. Golly. Jeez. Super clean. Oh, my bad. Jeez, got the camera set up on it. You know he mean business. Got the meats on it. Yeah. And it sounds so good. Look, listen to that idle now. They gonna for real. Jeez, this joint clean too. I don't like the Mac 1 signs on the side, but the headlight's super clean. It's different. Yeah, they're gonna be my thumbnail. Get a nice picture. No, don't park right there. Sheesh. Either I want a 5.0 or a Super. That Super.
He did say he wanted a 5.0.
My bag gotta be right for that Super though.
Yeah, that's super.
Yeah, they're like 50K. And my bad again if I'm smacking. I'm not even realizing that I'm smacking. So if you hear, I apologize. If you don't forgive me, we could could duke it up. I'm sure y'all don't want no problems. Jeez, they got a side exit. Golly, why is everything freaking boosted, bro? Golly, at least 5, bro. Got a 2-step too. Yeah, it's making 5, bro. Yeah, you didn't see the side exit?
No.
Yeah. For sure, high 4 or mid 5. Yeah, that's crazy. I can see you driving a yeah, that car like 40K. Well, he got the radar in that mug. Yeah, it's just looking beautiful as ever. Huh? Who?
So why you niggas this?
I don't know what you talking about. I'm gonna get a picture of this Super too.
Such a great looking ass. Old ass motherfucker. That's fine. Go ahead, show him. Oh, you got a piece of shit Honda. Shut the fuck up. I got more than that. Bring it out. Why? Let's compare. Why? Let's compare. Why? You only got one car. I got multiple. No, you don't. Bring out. What you want to bring out? What you want to bring out? You ain't got multiple. What you want to bring out? You ain't got compare. You ain't got multiple. You ain't got shit. You brought your best car here. You ain't got shit. I brought my bullshit. You brought your bullshit. Exactly. I'm proud of my bullshit. I wouldn't be. I would. I'm not. That's all I want you to do. That's all you're doing. That's what you're doing. You're replying. I can do that. I can too. This is my spot. I can. It's not your spot. This is though. No, it's not. I have priority over you. No, you don't. I do. You're nobody. What the bills go to? I have. Right, there you go. The promise apple. You still going in.
Sheesh.
You're applying.
It's 2024. We arguing about what? That food smells good though. Oh, that's alright. Jeez. Yeah. It's 5-0. Mean.
We don't start talking. We don't say spot. Don't say spot. And then get 3.5. We'll say spot. And then we'll 3.5. I say we don't stay spot when you became an ass. No, you're just making shit up in your head. Bro, you said it. Bro, after you became an ass. Yes, I saw, bro.
Man. Yeah. I think I know them actually. This accurate clean. I got some dope pictures, bro. Track Hawk? My best friend talking about getting a Q50. That junk will be so raw. Yeah. That junk will be so hard.
Is she gonna mod it like tastefully?
Yeah. She gonna mod it. Yeah. This for you, best friend. I know you're watching. This motivation. Hopefully your window ain't like that. Got sliding rotors. He on boards. I had the same rims. He got way better fitment though.
I got wing on the
This is Instagram right there. Go ahead and check him out. Bumper popping out.
Somebody chopping it.
Yeah, some got a cam. This we got intercooler. Look like he fresh out work. He could go lower. If he went lower, that I could tell the fitment would be perfect. Yeah. Boost. Syndicate. Yeah, that's a hard name. That's the one where you pull up to a like a fast food restaurant. You gotta turn it off because it's so loud. Like, sir, I can't hear you. It's so good. What?
Niggas freaking tag people.
I'm gonna get a picture while I can.
Bet you this thing tastes curd real good, huh? What's that? Bet you this thing tastes good curd, huh?
He said it tastes good curbs. I see why he didn't reply to him. Like, what you mean?
I love that. That's what I have like on my everything with hype band, everything. So yeah, he's doing it from there now. So you got that.
This gonna be my thumbnail right here.
So even on the fueling stuff, you see, this is
Be a dope thumbnail.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. And I wanna say I appreciate y'all. Y'all been showing love for real. I swear it's motivating me. I'm gonna go harder and harder. Pause, not like that. But anyways, 90% of y'all watch me and aren't subscribed. So if you're new, go ahead and hit me with a sub, man. I'm dropping new content every single week. But anyways, I'm out. Peace.